Okay. So this is actually a mandatory field, right? I want to make this particular field non-mandatory. So how can I make the field non-mandatory? G underscore form dot set mandatory. Which field? Short description field. So field name you have to use here. U underscore short underscore description, comma. Here you have to make the field non-mandatory, right? You have to pass Boolean value as false. Okay. Does it make sense to you, everyone? I'm just saving this one. Guys, please go on mute if you are not speaking. Okay. So now if I refresh this form, the short description field has become non-mandatory or not? Using scripting, we are able to make the field non-mandatory. Similar way, I want to make watch list field as mandatory. Any field you can make mandatory, non-mandatory. You have to use that field name. Understand? So I want to make watch list field as mandatory. G underscore form dot set mandatory field name U underscore comma. Here you have to pass true. True means which will actually make the field mandatory. Okay. So which will actually make the watch list field as mandatory field now. See, watch list has become mandatory, right?